So, hello everyone, and welcome to this webinar on improving your CCTV network with Wi Tek. Today we have Aaron Cole, product manager at Wi Tek, with us, and he will be leading this interesting session. Alan, the floor is now yours. You may now begin the webinar.
Okay, thank you. Hi, everyone. I'm Alan from Wi Tek, product manager. Today, let me introduce our Wi Tek product line. Especially, I want to show everyone is our CCTV network product. This is the overview our Wi Tek product line. Our product line include from switch and wireless. If switch, we have from the cloud switch, from layer 3 and the layer 2 plus and Edge Smart 3 level. And we also have some outdoor waterproof PoE switch. It's a PoE switch with IP65 waterproof design, and you can install on-site directly. So it's very convenient for you power up your camera project. And we also have industrial switch. It can working in the minus 40 to 75 degree. So it can work in a very terrible environment. And we also have some solar powered PoE switch. It's a PoE switch built in the solar controller. So it's good for you build a solar CCTV system. And for wireless, we have match access point and router, and point or point wireless transmitter. We have from 1 kilometer to 5 kilometer solutions. And also we have cloud access point with from Wi-Fi 4, Wi-Fi 5 to Wi-Fi 6. And we also have some 4G solution. It's outdoor waterproof 4G router. And we also have some IoT box. It's a box cabinet to you can mounting camera on the cabinet. And it also have some PoE accessory. It's from the PoE injector, splitter, extender, and media converter. Yeah, so we have one-stop solution for SAP network. We start from the CCTV economy 215 meter PoE switch, then go to the cloud easy smart PoE switch. It's a cheaper cloud manager PoE switch, but it can detect cameras showing the topology graph. And we also have from the layer 3 and to layer 2 and the layer 3 level cloud manager switch, and outdoor is smart PoE switch, and solar PoE switch, industrial series PoE switch, and wireless transmitter. That means point and point mother point, and 4G solutions, and 5G we are also developing, and the outdoor IoT box, mesh system, and access point, cloud access point and gateway, and the GPON POL solution. It's a PoE switch based in GPON technology. And 80% our products, we support our cloud. We have web cloud and app. Now, first I introduce our cloud management. You can see here, this is our web cloud. In the web cloud, we can show if you use our product, do the project, you can show in the cloud, you can see the topologic graph. And we even can auto detection all the cameras showing the topologic graph. So you can manage your device very easily. And also you can share your project to other person. So you can ask your colleague to maintain your project. And we also support eWeb. This is a remotely access way for the device. We will create a link. So with this link, you can access the switch, so access point or the camera. So it's easy to you remotely control your device. And not only web cloud, we also have the app cloud. This is our app functions. You can see it can show your project topology graph, and when you choose a device, like you choose a switch, you can reboot PoE, you can reboot the device, you can go to the eWeb to access the web page of switch, and also you can share your project to the other person and do the device upgradable. And you also can do some settings on wireless and roaming. So our cloud solution is very convenient for you to remotely to maintain your project, control your device. Now, 95% our switch and 100% our wireless support cloud. Okay, let's way back to our product. First part I want to introduce is commercial PoE switch line. This line we include different type of PoE switch. We start from the layer 3 level and the layer 2 plus level. And the best selling model for CCTV market is Easy Smart. This Easy Smart, we have megabit series and gigabit series. And you can see for your project, your camera project, if you have a project more than 200 piece camera, we suggest you should use layer 3 level manager switch. And if your project is between 50 to 200 piece, you can use layer 2 plus. And if your camera project less 50 piece, you can use the Easy Smart. And we also have outdoor waterproof PoE switch. It supports Easy Smart. And also, if you want to choose a simply PoE switch, we also have the economy, the 250-meter long-range PoE switch. This is a manager PoE switch and cost-effective for the CCTV. Let me explain one by one. First, for layer 3 switch, we usually have the feature like it supports 10G speed uplink, and it supports all the layer 3 routing function and free cloud management. And we suggest start 200 piece camera project, you use layer 3. And we have from 24 ports gigabit PoE with 410G or 48 gigabit PoE with 610G. And we also have some fiber switch, like this CFS 6012 is a 12 port 10G SAP plus. It's fiber core fiber switch. And all these switch we support on-with detection, so we can detect all cameras and show in the cloud. And this is layer 3 plus. Why we call the layer 3 plus? Because this is we support some weekly layer 3 function. Why we call the layer 2 plus? Because we support some layer 3 function like a static routing, like a DHCP server function. And is some project if you between 50 piece camera and 200 piece camera, we suggest you should use layer 2. And for layer 2 product, we start from the 8 port PoE with 2 SAP and 24 PoE with 2 SAP. And also we support some non-PoE from 8 ports, 16 ports, 24 ports. Here you can see we support this series is Easy Smart PoE switch. We suggest if you have less 50 piece camera project, we should use this series. It supports the cloud, it supports the remotely configuration, it supports alarm notification and on-wave detection. We have gigabit PoE series for the 4 PoE, 8 PoE, 16 PoE, 24 PoE. Start from 8 PoE, we have 2 SAP slots. And for CCTV market, we strongly recommend this series is a megabit cloud Easy Smart PoE switch, and it supports 250-meter long-range PoE. This is a very good cost-effective solutions for CCTV market. It supports 250-meter long range. It has cloud features, and it can on-with detection shows all the cameras in the cloud. So this series is we have from 4 PoE, 8 PoE with 2 gigabit uplink, 16 PoE with 2 gigabit uplink, and 24 megabit PoE with 2 combo uplink. And if you don't want cloud, okay, we also have some choice for the unmanaged PoE switch. This is a 250 meters long range PoE switch. It has some function like a port isolation, PoE watchdog, and double uplink, and extend 250 meters features. And all these function is enabled by the smart DIP mode. And we have from 4 PoE, 8 PoE, and 8 PoE with 2 gigabit uplink. And also we have some small budget power adapter we call the economy PoE switch, and it also have same features, but it have like 4 ports PoE with a 42-watt power budget and 8 PoE with a 62 power budget, but it's enough for the normal cameras project, and its price also very good for your project. Okay, next I want to introduce is our cloud outdoor waterproof PU switch. It's a PU switch, but with outdoor waterproof box include, and so you can mounting the PU switch outdoor directly and power up the cameras and the access point, and it's about cloud. It's cloud is smart PoE switch, so have cloud features, and it have two high PoE port. That means it support 60-watt high PoE to power up PTZ cameras, and it also support extend to the 250 meters, support on-wave detection, PoE watchdog, and it support wall mount and pole mount, and loop protections, and it can working in minus 30 to 70 degree and have 6 kV lighting protection. So this series we have from the 4 PoE model, 8 PoE model, and gigabit 4 PoE and 8 PoE model, and also layer 2. This fourth model is smart, and the last model is layer 2. Okay, then sometimes when you do a project for CCTV, you maybe your set no power or no internet. So we offer a solution we call the solar powered PoE switch. You use this switch, you can build easy to build a solar system for CCTV. This is a PoE switch, but we built in MPPT controller, so it can directly connect in your solar panel and battery. Then can run to the PoE. And for the PoE, we design different PoE standard. For first port, we support 90 watt, so you can power up the PGC camera. And the second port, third port is support normal 80, 30 watt. And port 4 and port 5, we use a DIP switch, so you can support 24-watt passive PoE or 48-watt standard PoE. And also, we not only offer the solar PoE switch, we also have the IoT box and the solar panel and the mountain kit. And if you want to transmit the data, you can choose our point. This series we have different models, and this model is most popular model is 5 PoE, and the charge current is 15 amp, so it can working like a 500-watt solar panel and a 100 Ah battery. And when you use solar PoE switch, you must prepare a cabinet. So we also have cabinet, and our cabinet support IP65 waterproof, and we also design a fan, so it can let your solar system is work stable. And we also have open door sensors Here, if some person open the door in our cloud, you can get the alarm information. And it's IP65 waterproof, so we're adding some waterproof connector to make sure the water will not running into the box. This is some case in the different place. When the customer use our IoT box, you can see you can mounting the camera in the two side, and you also can mounting the some 4G, some IP speaker. So it's easy way to mounting the device. And inside you can see it include the fan, include the DIN ring, include the mountain kit, and IP waterproof dot. And also you can mounting your camera, your switch, your breaker, and your M2M gateway inside. It's more flexible to deploy the device as your project requirement. And we have four models coverage different size. The IoT box mini is a small one, and it's a 5 kg. And this one, 01, is a popular models. You can put this two-level switch inside. And for 02, it's support, you can put two-piece 100 Ah battery inside. Then, after introduce the commercial PU switch, let us go to see the industrial level PU switch. For industrial level PU switch, usually used in some project, they usually working in very hot or very cold temperatures environment. So we have different series. Like here, this series black switch is we call super industrial switch. This series we use a truly industrial chipset, the Marvel, the American industrial switch chipset, and it work very stable. And we add the special the lighting protector to make sure it's robust use. And this year's no cloud because some country tender or the project forbidden cloud, so we cancel the cloud servers in this year's. And if some customer need cloud, okay, we have also have cloud layer 2 managed industrial switch. And the lasers is we call hardened PU switch. Hardened PU switch is a cost-effective industrial switch. It's working a little weakly, but still can work at minus 30 to 65 degree. So it's a good choice for your CCTV project. And finally, it's a industrial flat vision. It's a smart PU switch. Let me show the one by one. First, for the super industrial switch, you can see the biggest benefit for the industrial switch is you can make a circle, make a ring. As we know, the normal network are not alone, you loop or you make a ring. But for the industrial switch, it can make a ring. The ring will let your connecting more stable. Even this part disconnect, the data can running from another side to the control room. So it will make your project more stable for transmit the data. And this part is a cloud industrial switch. You can see it supports cloud management and layer 2 manager and ERPS and support some 90-watt BT port and working as many 40 to 75 degree. And this is I want to highly recommend is a flat vision. This flat vision first is still industrial switch working at minus 40 to 75. Second is a flat tip design. You can put in a small size box, and it also support a magnet mounting. So you don't need prepare the screwdriver to mounting. And also it have a temperature sensors. Here this is the temperature sensor. It can read the box temperature and send to our cloud. Then you can define some alarm. If temperature is so high, okay, this part have a relay. This relay will drive the fan in the box to open. So it's very smart solutions for CCTV. And this is hardened PU switch. It's a cost-effective PU switch for working at the minus 30 to 65. And also we design a small size because usually we think the normal CCTV cabinet is not so big, so we design a mini size. Then we see the wireless transmitter. Wireless transmitter is, as we know, we also call the point-to-point or point-to-multipoint point of the radio. And for our device, we both support point-to-point and point-to-multipoint point. And our biggest advantage is we selling one pair, two-piece device in a box, and it's prepared. So you don't need setting anything. You just power up, and it will auto connecting. And some customers say, okay, I want to do the point point, or I want to resetting something. Okay, we still no need you prepare the laptop. We can do like this. Here have a DIP switch. In the left H is AP mode. In the right side C is CPE mode. Then you can see if one for the sender mode, you can set to the left. Another you can set to the right, and you choose the plus and the minus button, change the LED number. Same number is paired again. It's so easy to use. No need a laptop. And if you do the point, you even no need setting anything. You just open the box, power up, and it will auto connecting. Usually this point we also use popular in the elevator surveillance project. Here you can see we have few models. We have from the range, point range, we have from 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, and 5 kilometer. And this 5 kilometer is a hot selling model. You can see it support 802.3 80 PoE in. That means it has one PoE input and one PoE output. And you can use any PoE switch power up this device. And also you can see we have a mini antenna CP. It supports the 360-degree angle. That means you can put in the middle and as a sender, and use other device as a receiver. And this CP 800 kit is a gigabit CP with 5 kilometer. Okay, then is our cloud wireless access point. We have from the selling mount indoor access point and outdoor access point and workplace access point. And we start from Wi-Fi 4, Wi-Fi 5, and Wi-Fi 6, different standard. And we support FAT AP, and the captive portal, and the cloud manager, and fast roaming. You can see this is the Wi-Fi 4, Wi-Fi 5, and Wi-Fi 6, different model. And here, this part is Wi-Fi 4, Wi-Fi 5, and Wi-Fi 6 outdoor. And for some small environment, like a motel or a supermarket, sometimes they don't want to deploy the cable. So we suggest use a mesh system. And for our mesh system, we design some features for CCTV. You can see this is a mesh access point, but we have one PoE input and two PoE output. Why we design like this? Because we study like a motel, you need Wi-Fi. You also need some cameras. So our mesh access point can power up cameras and transmit the camera data by the wireless, go to the internet or go to the NVR. So it's very convenient for you set some mesh AP, then power up cameras and share Wi-Fi to the users. Here we have from the Wi-Fi 6 indoor mesh and outdoor mesh. And also we have the indoor mesh Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi 5 with PoE, two PoE output. And we also have some the gateway or controller working with our access point. This work like this. From the internet, you connect the gateway, then go to the core switch and PO switch, then go to the access point. Sometimes you need the gateway to control your AP, or sometimes you need the gateway for the multiple WAN. Like here show, usually our gateway first we support the multiple WAN. That means some place if you make a 3 cable or 4 cable ISP cable, you want to combine different cable speed to one big bandwidth. So you can use this multiple WAN function. And we also support the different type VPN, PP, TP, L2TP, and IPsec and Open VPN. And another feature is the captive portal. This is the most popular use in the hotel Wi-Fi. So if you need the list function, you need to prepare a gateway. But if you don't need this function, you just need the Wi-Fi, share Wi-Fi, and you don't need the gateway. You just use our cloud. Our cloud is free to manage our access point. You can see this is the topology graph for from the gateway to the core switch to the PoE switch and to the access point. And we also have some 4G solution, especially this 4G outdoor CP. Why we design outdoor? Because sometimes if you deploy the cameras and you find your camera installed in some warehouse, no internet, and it's hard to get the internet cable. Okay, you just prepare a 4G CP and put SIM card, get the internet. Then it has two PoE output ports to power up two cameras. It's convenient for you to give your camera data and power. And we also have a good free software function we call SD-LAN. SD-LAN work like this. Sometimes you deploy some camera with our 4G in some place, and in your office you have a NVR, but your NVR and your camera in different IP address. So if you want your NVR manage your camera, you need to use VPN. But the VPN big problem is you need public IP, and some telecom not give you public IP. Okay, you just can use our SD-LAN to replace VPN. How you to do? You can prepare a gateway, our gateway, and connecting your NVR. Then in the set, you use our 4G router or the mesh router connect to your IP camera. Then you connect the list project in the cloud, our cloud platform by SD-LAN. It's simply just connecting to project. Then list project can send the data directly. That means your NVR can read the camera directly. For the 4G, we also have different types. Like we have indoor 4G and outdoor 4G. Outdoor 4G, we have outdoor 4G with PoE output and with DC output also. Okay. Then some customers tell us when they meet a project, it's a new building, they want to use fiber solution. Okay, we prepare a POL product line. POL product line like this. You can see this is a new building. The customer said, I want to use fiber deploying across my building because in the future, I need to use Wi-Fi 7. Wi-Fi 7 is 10G speed, and I cannot use UTP. UTP Cat6 cannot use in the Wi-Fi 7. So they must deploy the cable, a fiber cable, across the building. Then before we maybe choose the fiber switch, but here we suggest use our POL solutions. POL solutions is include the ORT and MDU. ORT and MDU is connecting the back fiber. And we also design a splitter. This splitter can split one fiber to the multiple fiber. So it's convenient for you connect one fiber come out from GPON or T, then go to splitter, then split multiple fiber, go to the MDO. And the MDO the function is a change from fiber to the PoE. So in the middle, you can see you just simply use the fiber. Then in the end, you use the PoE. And let me tell you what benefit for use PoE. Like here, such as we have a project, a hotel project. It includes a 200-piece camera project and a 50 AP. Okay, before, if we use a traditional network, we need to choose one piece 48 port, maybe core switch, layer switch, and 32 piece 8 port layer 2 PoE switch. This is the retailer price we think. Okay, you need prepare a AC and some maybe three row 300 meters UTP cable. So we calculate totally cost is 7,100. Okay. Then if we use pure solutions, you can see we can use one piece two port ORT. The retailer price is 400 and 22 piece MDO is a one GPON in and 8 PoE output and a splitter and a 1,000 meter fiber cable. The total price is only half, it's 3,800 around. So it save cost half. Second is you can see this is a layer map on the building on the hotel. You can see it have one floor, two floor, three floor, four floor, five floor. Every floor you can see every cable deploying floor, cross the floor. You need prepare a cabinet or you need prepare a weak current room. So you need to prepare the AC. You need to prepare some cable, power source and the copper and the box. But if you use a pure solution, it's very simple. You just put a splitter in anywhere because our splitter is a passive device, no power, no need power supply, and no software. You just put it in a place, any place. Third is before we use traditional network, we need setting some software function like a VLAN or like RSTP. We need set one by one from the layer 3 to layer 2 and it's smart. But now if we use a pure system, we can set in everything in ORT. So it will all auto upgrade to the MDO. It's simply and save the software function. So now we already have a 8 ports ORT. It feature is 8 gigabit RG4, 4 gigabit RG45, 8 GPON, and 410G SAP Plus for uplink. And this is the MDO is 1 GPON and 8 gigabit PoE. And we also in the October we will release two GPON ports the ORT. It's for the design for the small and medium project. It have two GPON ports and every GPON port and can split to 128 fiber to connecting the MDO. So totally this device can connect 250 piece MDO. And we also will design a 4 PoE ports or MDO. Okay, then and let me introduce some accessory. Like everyone, I think we know this is a PoE injector. It's working. It's very simply AC input and PoE output and data input. So it can let a device connect a PoE device connect to the normal switch. And we have different type of PoE injector, megabit and gigabit. And we also have some 24-watt passive PoE injector for connect to Ubiquiti or some CP device. And here is splitter. You can see It work is for you can accept the PU input and split power and data. And this power usually is 12 volt. And if you want different voltage, okay, you can choose this model. This model supports 90-watt PU in. Then DC output different voltage from the 12 volt to the 48 volt. So it's convenient to power up some device like a screen, like the camera, PTZ camera. Okay, you can see we also have different type PU injector, a splitter. For the injector, we also have 60 watt for the BT standard. And one more accessory is a PU extender. PU extender is an intriguing product. It no need power supply for itself. It supports one PU input, two PU output. So you can connect a ring one by one, and it can power itself. And it have another PoE output power up camera. So you can extend your PoE range. And this is indoor, and we also have outdoor waterproof version. It supports IP68 waterproof, and it also supports one PoE, BT PoE in 90 watt and two PoE output. You can see here we have different models. All is IP68 waterproof. This is the indoor. One PoE input, two PoE output, or one PoE input, four PoE output. And we also have some media converter. It's used simply. It's change from the UTP to fiber, then change back to the UTP. And sometimes we need PoE. Okay, we have a PoE media converter. It's changed from the fiber to the PoE. So you can let your cameras uplink the keyboard become a fiber. Okay, that's all. This is what today I want to introduce for everyone. And I want everyone know that our Wi Tek we have from the start from the cloud PU switch, outdoor PU switch, industrial PU switch, and the solar powered PU switch. And for wireless, we have the mesh network and the point-point transmitter. And where transmitter is very easy to use. We set in one pair, two pieces a box, and some access point from Wi-Fi 4, Wi-Fi 5, and Wi-Fi 6. And if your camera needs net internet, we have 4G outdoor router. And we also prepare the accessory and IoT box and the GPON PUR solution for the fiber. So that's all. Thank you, everyone. And have any questions?
So, dear attendees, we have reached the end of this webinar. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to share them now. I will enable your microphone so you can ask your question or share your comments.
Okay.
Right now, you can use your microphones. So, if you have any question or comments, please feel free to share them.
Yeah, hi, Lionel here. I,
Hi.
I just I just basically needed a little bit more clarity on the vers looking at the conventional network as opposed to the how is it the new one where we have the fiber links. If you could just
You mean the pure fiber?
yeah, POR fiber. What
Okay.
exactly was the POR fiber again? I got distracted just for a little bit, so please forgive me.
Pure is our new product, and it's mainly benefit for some a little bigger project in the hotel. And as I say, it's a easy setting, and it's save the keyboards, the saved cost is least benefits. And we just released, and I think the Epicom not stock yet, but soon they will have stock. And also uh, this this two ports two ports ORT is a very good price, and it's easy to build a small and medium the fiber project, and can replace the layer 3 switch, and easy to maintain. So this is a very good solution for the building, for the apartment deploying fiber.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how you were showing me a hotel where you had different level floors because I
Yeah.
actually have a project like that coming up, and you were showing me where you had different level floors, and we have a switch on each floor with
Yeah.
cameras on each floor. And you're saying with the POL it will be more cost effective. How is that so?
Yeah, let me tell you. First, you can see in the left, if you use a normal manager switch, you need a many keyboard, a UDP keyboard, and you need to prepare every floor. You need a cabinet, a box to put the switch inside to give power source, and or even you prepare the AC for cooling. But now, if Pure is a passive device, no need power supply, no need setting software. Its function is just slip one fiber to multiple fiber. So you just put it anywhere. You don't need prepare the cabinet. So
So the fiber would go up to each room just as well, but
yes,
wouldn't
yes,
it still would have to have the switch and the UPS to power keep the switch powered, right?
yeah. In the MDU, in the airflow MDU, you need prepare a power source and change from the fiber to the PoE.
Okay, thanks.
And one more thing you can see here the picture. Left, you need the settings software like a VLAN. You created a VLAN, you set in the ISTP one by one, every switch. But if you use Pure, you send everything use the ORT, then it will auto transmit to the device MDU. And for the Pure, is passive device. You don't need setting anything. So your only setting is ORT. So the maintenance job is very easy. You just take care of the ORT part. But if you use a switch, you need to take care of everything. You need to see this switch or that switch have problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then with these switches as well, we can see what device is plugged into the ports
Yes.
over the cloud, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So if I have my cameras, I would be easily see, okay, what IP address does this camera have, and I can actually just look at it.
Yes. Yes. Let me show a demo case. Let me show here. Here I log in our web cloud and I show a demo case for you for the POL. In our cloud, shared network is other person shared to me. This is a demo project. Is other person shared to me. Here you can see it have some device from the internet to the gateway. Here we connect the ORT and MDO. Sorry, let me zoom. Okay, this ORT, when we enter into, we just need setting the VLAN. Actually, we don't need setting other things. You can see all the ONT, the MDU, we default is auto configuration. So we will send all the setting from the ORT to MDU. And then you can see from the ONT list is MDU, list device. And we will sending already configuration the profile. So in the MDU, this is the MDU. You can see if you take some camera, you will see the camera here or in the topological graph. And you also can restart the PoE. Like port 1, port 2, okay, you can set restart the PoE. So restart the camera. Other things you don't need set. If here MDU, if you take some cameras, you can read the camera in the topological graph. So it's easy. Before for switch, you need to set one switch, two switch, three switch. But now you only set in the ORT. So that
Okay.
is. Okay, more questions?
No, 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 that's it. I actually have a project that I'm going to be doing tomorrow, so I'll be actually thinking of using one of these, picking up one of these switches later on to test it in the field.
Yes, yeah. I welcome you testing, and you can see the cost is different. So for some, not only the maintain easy, and the cost also is very good cost. So you can try. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So thank you very much
Oh,
for
sorry.
attending.
Sorry,
Okay.
sorry, so sorry. I mainly use Mac. Is it Mac friendly?
Mark. What do you mean, Mark?
A Mac. I travel with a MacBook. I don't have a Windows based PC. So
Okay. Mark. This is a web cloud. For the cloud, this is a web. You can log in any brand in the IE or in the Safari. It's okay. No, I use Mac OS, so it's okay. And also we have app, so you can download smartphone app.
iOS
Exactly.
as well. iOS as well, right?
Yeah, we have iOS and Android. Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Okay.
So, dear attendees, thank you very much for attending this webinar.
Okay.
So, we wish you all a wonderful day.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day.